So it's a mess, but I managed to hook up the Tekin ESC to the rear motor of the critter crawler to test out and see if it actually works after cleaning everything and resoldering a few of the wires and even cleaning up the board a bit. So we've got the actual remote for the critter crawler hooked up and everything. So let's see what happens. Okay, so far so good. Okay, I forgot this is only a forward only ESC, and I have the it's hooked up backwards. Anyhow, and that's because I've still got the drivetrain little bound up in the back, but it powers it up and it works. So that's an issue with the drivetrain I've still got to fix on the critter crawler, and nothing wrong with the ESC.